Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go about the C, that is on more pointers, arrays and string. So before we attempt the quiz, the few questions that we have been tested to do, always ensure that you go through the material that you had learned on the previous assignment. That is on 005 on C, more point on it was supposed to be the pointer, arrays, and the string. So if at all you go through the previous reading material, you'll be able now to do the assignment quite easily. For number one, question number 0, what is stroke are the differences between the two following variables except their names? So we have s1 is equal to this, s2 is equal to null. So the difference number one is that the first one points to the 0 bit and the second one points to 0. The null is the 0. Then another point, the first one can be dereferenced and not the second. So you can dereference this one, but you cannot dereference the second one. Then question number 1, what is wrong with the following code? Integer n is equal to 5, integer raise n, integer I is equal to 3, the array n is equal to I. So the following is what is making the code be wrong. It is impossible to declare the variables arrays in this way. So that's the incorrect that's the correct answer that you're supposed to give. Then the next part, variables is equal to the base. So what type of this a character on the chart? So number 3, what happens when one tries to dereference a pointer to null? And the answer is segmentation fault will occur. Then number 4, what is wrong with the following code? We have integers n is equal to 5, integer raise 5, integer. So the answer is it is impossible to access arrays n. Then another point, why is it important to reserve enough space for extra character when declaring or allocating a string? We have number 1, for the null byte, end of the string, in case we need 1 for memory alignment or for fun. And the correct answer is the reason why we need to reserve enough space is for the null byte, which is now the 0. Then our last question, what is wrong with the following code? Integer is equal to 5, integer is equal to 10, integer is equal to 3, and the array is equal to I. The array is not entirely initialized, nothing strong. It is impossible to declare the variables array this way. It is not possible to access. And the correct answer is nothing is wrong. Okay, so let's submit our work. So you can see that we have answered our quiz correctly. So just as I had said, always ensure that you go through the resources that are usually attached on each of the assignment before you attempt the question. So in the next video, I will show you how to go about on the task 0 all the way to, let me see how many we have. We have around 12. So just check the next video. I will show you some of the steps that you can take to accomplish the coding part of this assignment number 2. So thank you for taking time. Don't forget to comment in case you have any question, to like, and also to share with your friend. Let's continue sharing this knowledge to the other coming generation. Also, kindly don't forget to subscribe so that you can continue to support this channel. Bye bye.